Difference between few and a few. Few and a few both refer to small quantities, but their meanings and emotional tones are different. Few means almost none or not enough. It has a negative tone and suggests that the number is too small or disappointing. For example, few people attended the meeting. This implies that the number of people was less than expected or desired. On the other hand, a few means some, and it has a more positive or neutral tone. It shows that there is a small number, but still enough for a purpose. For example, a few people helped me. This suggests that at least some people helped, and that was sufficient. In summary, few equals very little, not enough, negative meaning, and a few equals some, enough, positive or neutral meaning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.